For more information and current price, I have included all product links in description below. Next one in our list is BLACK+DECKER Countertop Convection Toaster Oven. It features one-touch functions for a whole range of foods such as bagel, pizza, frozen snacks, potatoes, and cookies. Its convection baking circulates hot air around your food for fast and even results, and the extra deep curved interior fits 12-inch pizzas and so much more. This countertop oven is designed to fit 12-inch pizzas, and things like casserole dishes, whole chickens, and more. It comes with dual position rack which helps you to place food right under the broiler or make room for large items. The high and low oven rack positions provide the versatility to have great results in all foods. The 120-minute digital timer ensures accurate results. Set it for short jobs like toasting and broiling, or longer for baking. The oven turns off when the timer runs out. It has 8 one-touch functions. Cleanup is fast and easy. Just wipe clean the cool non-stick surfaces. Overall, we recommended it. I have included all product links in description. You can check out these links for more details and latest price. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Share this video and don't forget to hit the like button.